Want to start YouTube without showing your face? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create faceless YouTube videos using AI tools. And I'll also share the exact tools I use. Links are in the description if you want to try them out. Step 1. Script writing, Chatgpt. The first step is writing your script. Instead of spending hours, I use Chatgpt to generate my video scripts in seconds. You can try it too. I've left my special link in the description. Step 2. Voiceover, Murf AI. Next, you need a voice. Don't worry, you don't have to record yourself. I use Murf AI for realistic voiceovers. It sounds natural and professional. The link is also below if you want to test it out. Step 3. Video creation, Pictory. Now, let's turn the script and voice into a video. Tools like Pictory AI can take your script and automatically create a video with stock clips, subtitles, and background music. Step 4. Thumbnail, Canva. Finally, I design a thumbnail with Canva AI. A strong thumbnail is what makes people click your video. And that's it. With just Chatgpt, Murf AI, and Pictory, you can make faceless YouTube videos fast. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips.